Hello YouTube. Like to introduce you to a new item that we purchased for my garage. This is the 42-inch wide, 18-inch depth Huskey toolbox from Home Depot. Now I was looking at a product from Harbor Freight, the 44-inch. And it was $500. This was half the price. At $248. Let me take a swig of the old Go Juice. Coffee. All right, so this has this box is about 39 inches wide. This isn't the ideal toolbox I wanted, but for the money, I think it was the best choice. The depth this way, only being 18 inches, was I didn't like that. I wanted the 24-inch deep, and it was another $100 from Home Depot. But now that I've gotten this home, I think it's a pretty good toolbox. Hang on, and we'll do a quick little tour. So it has a wood top, as you can see. The sun's coming in through my garage door, so I'm sorry about the shadows. Let me stand over here. Wood top. It has the dual drawer banks, which I like, and then the large drawer on top. This drawer has my sockets. I've got some 1/2 inch, some 3/8, some 1/4 inch. Certainly not a complete set. These drawers, I still haven't filled up completely. This is the drawer I like. I can put my power hand tools in here. I'm going to do something different with this pegboard, and hopefully this helps me get more organized. I feel like I spend too much time searching for tools. Okay, so this is the top drawer for a little more in-depth. It is 37.5 wide, 15.5 deep this way, and we'll measure from here. 3 3/4 inch depth, or height. So 3 5/8. Comes with keys, of course. Then it has another deep drawer at the bottom. I just have rags in there now. This one, 5 inches deep, 6 inches deep, and these drawers are 22 wide. Well, my dog's wandering off. Penny, you come here. Come here, girl. My companion in the shop. Come on. Alright, and then these drawers are 12.5 wide. Of course, the depth is going to be the same. And this one's 1.5 inches deep, or height. And then they get this one, those measurements are the same. This is 2 3/4 inches high. Two and 3/4 again. And then, as I said, this is your toolbox garage, your hand tool garage. So very interesting. And the casters seem good. It has a power strip on the side. I think there is 4 or 5 outlets plus 2 USB ports. I'm actually going to use one of my laptops on this top here. So anyway, I hope that helps, and we'll talk to you on the next one. So all right, YouTube, that is just a quick overview of another way I'm trying to organize my garage. And thank you for watching. It's been quite a while since I've posted anything, so we'll get this one up.